So I was wandering around the internet reading articles about Home Assistant dashboards the other day, and I stumbled across something that could be potentially awesome in the way you think about Home Assistant dashboards today. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So I think it's fair to say that people who are using Home Assistant on a day-to-day basis are probably very familiar with creating dashboards and editing them and getting really what they need out of them. The Nabocaster development team have done an awful lot of work over recent years, massive changes to the interface, taking on board the feedback from the community to get it where it is today. However, whilst wandering around the internet, I came across something which was a different approach to the standard dashboards that really made me want to know more about it. So what am I referring to then? Well, it's something called HA Component Kit, and it's by a developer called Shannon Hodgkins. And I don't know Shannon from Adam, it's just something I stumbled across. But it's a really interesting thing. I will put his GitHub page, a link to that down below in the description if you're interested in taking a look further when you've obviously watched this video. Now, what I will say is that this is probably geared towards those of you with a programming background or a good understanding of programming, or maybe you're even a serial tinkerer that just wants to have a go at anything really. It's really not geared towards anyone, certainly at the moment, that just wants to dive in, create a dashboard, and away you go. That's a little bit more on that later in the video. But if you're quite happy working with YAML, the raw YAML, and you what's involved there, this might be something you could stretch to. Everybody's got different skill levels, so you judge it yourself on what you think you're going to be capable of. So this uses official Home Assistant authentication via long life tokens to enable you to create dynamic dashboards via React. Yes, you heard me say that right, via React. So, Shannon's got on his GitHub repo, he has an online demo of a dashboard using the component kit. You can see some of that in action here. There's really, all the cards you would expect to find in Home Assistant, whether that's weather cards, time, switches, vacuums, alarm cards. It does seem to be there is a replication of those cards that you get with the kind of like the mushroom cards at the moment in Home Assistant. They're all beautifully styled. They're all animated as well. Fancy pop-out effects, when you're expanding cards for to kind of like get access to the further controls or more details about the device. You've got complete control over these cards and the layout. They're all fully responsive, and really, you'd have to use multiple integrations to get similar functionality in a standard Home Assistant dashboard, but with this it's all under one roof, so to speak. You've also got hooks for things like entities, services, devices and areas, and therefore you can pull that data back into your card and go beyond basic layouts. Now there is an add-on for the HA Component Kit which allows you to host your dashboard within Home Assistant. Obviously gives you a bit of an idea of perhaps future direction of this project. But, and this is the clever bit, you can host your dashboard on any web server. So I can imagine everyone's head is spinning at the moment with what I've just gone and said there. That certainly creates a number of opportunities with this particular project. Now, there's a good amount of documentation already for the HA Component Kit, and it is being actively developed, and it does welcome feedback from the community. And reading the comments for the project, one of the future goals is to have a full drag and drop functionality for the dashboards that you're creating in Home Assistant. it never ceases to amaze me some of the things that you find that people are creating for Home Assistant, whether that's integrations directly for Home Assistant or whether it's projects like this, the HA component kit. I will put links down below in the description to the GitHub page that you can go and have a look at it. There is a link off of that to go and have a look at the demo. I think there's also a link to a YouTube video just showing you the setup, which is just 5-10 minutes to get going if you're a developer and you want to try creating one of the dashboards yourself locally. This seems to be a relatively newish project, but it does seem to have been gathering traction recently. So if you do visit the page and you like what you see there and maybe you download it and you give it a try, then don't forget to hit the star button on the GitHub page. So what did you think of the HA component kit? Did you know about this already, or are you rubbing your hands together in anticipation of spending endless hours crafting your fancy new dashboard? Let me know down below in the comments. If you've enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really does help with YouTube's algorithm. But as always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.